Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube cooking channel, Spicy Food 6972. Today we made steamed chocolate cake. It's easy, and if you don't have an oven you can always cook it this way. It's a really delicious cake made out of chocolate, and you can see how it went. It's spongy and it's really nice to eat. For this simple stove steamed chocolate cake, you will need 3 eggs, 200 grams sugar, 350 grams milk, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 300 grams all-purpose baking flour, 150 grams butter or oil, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So first we're going to start by breaking our eggs on our mixing container. We're going to put in our sugar and give it a mix. Add a pinch or half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix in our milk. Now that we're done mixing all of that well together, we're going to put in our baking flour.
Actually, it's flour, all-purpose flour.
We're mixing in all of our flour to the rest of the ingredients in our mixing bowl. Now we're going to put in our baking powder. And our butter or oil, and give it a mix. And now we're going to put in our vanilla. Should be 1 tablespoon of it. We're going to take 1/3 of our batter and put it in another glass container. And we're going to do the same thing again on another glass container. And there's our cocoa powder. So the reason why we have the 3 batters in our 3 containers is because we're going to decorate our cake. If you don't want to decorate your cake, you can just make it in one all big bowl and pour it into your baking pan and bake it. But we're going to do this. Now she's going over it with a fine toothpick. For those of you who don't have an oven, we're showing you how to do it on a steamer. You can see that there's water down there and it's on a container holder with metal rods, and we put our cake in there and we're going to leave it to bake.
Yeah, we are going to put the lid on. We are going to bake 40 minutes.
40 minutes is how long it's going to take. It has been half an hour now and we're going to see what it looks like.
Yeah, it's done.
It's done. Now we're going to cut it.
It's very soft.
So you can see this is our final cake.
Chocolate cake. It's very soft.